Today I'm going to show you how to upload a CSV and expose it as a REST API. So first thing, after authenticating, I will go to Upload CSV page. In this page, I will have the ability to select a file on my local drive to be uploaded. I'm going to click on Browse Files, and I will select my CSV file. In this case, it's a bank transaction file. Click on Open, and the file will appear in the Files section. I will now click on Upload All File, Upload All. So this will upload, and then process it. The system will start processing the file in the background. So during this process, we'll extract any information from the CSV, try to identify the data types of each column. So processing has completed. Now we can generate the API. So to do so, I will click on Generate API. Now I need to specify a name for this API. I will call it Transactions and click on Create API. The API has been created. So I have a documentation tab here, which will describe all the endpoints that have been created. So we have a get endpoint, get records endpoint, which accepts the following parameters: page limit sort. We have a post endpoint to create a new record. Another get endpoint with the ID to get the details of specific record. Put for update, and a delete record, delete to delete a specific record. In addition to that, we have search and aggregation, and finally MCP server. This will be useful when we integrate with LLMs like ChatGPT or Claude. So now my API is ready to be used. It is, though, private and requires authentication. So for the demo, I'm going to change this. So I'm going to head to the Edit panel for the API. I'm going to remove the requirement for authentication, and I'm going to make it public. Save changes. Now, if I go back to the Documentation tab, I copy this URL, paste it on the address bar of a browser, add records, and this will load the first page of the records in my CSV file in the JSON format. If I want another page, as you can see from we've seen in the documentation, this endpoint accepts the parameter page. We can specify page 2, and it will load the results for page 2.